I'm gonna do a quick product review on McCormick Old Bay Seasoning. You see me using this a lot on the cooking videos. It says when you use it on seafood, poultry, salads, and meats. We use it on pretty much everything here at the house. Vegetables, stir fries, pretty much everything we cook. Don't you go around to them steps, Rosie. Don't you go around there. Get back around there. Kind of. Kids love it. We like it. I can't think of any cons for it. You can probably find it. We get it at Save a Lot. You can probably find it just about any stores that carries McCormick seasonings. Any grocery stores or Walmart, any place that carries the McCormick seasonings. So, hey! Don't you be hitting on that kitten. Come here. Rosie. That kitten will scratch you. You quit hitting on him. You know better than that. Yeah, that's something I highly recommend when you're doing your cooking. You want a good seasoning for your food. It's McCormick Old Bay Seasoning.